This morning, and there was notification that there's a new app for homeowners. Let's go take a look. Here you are looking at my dashboard, and here's what I'm talking about. There's this new link, and it takes you over to this page, and this is the download for the new app. I just scanned the QR code, and I was able to download it. Once I had it downloaded, I went ahead and signed in with a username and password, used my email address and standard password I use. And this is what it looks like. So this is the Apple Store. This is a screen recording from my iPhone. And let's go over and take a look at the app. You go in and you choose your agent. I chose myself. And it starts out with an estimate of value, gives you a breakdown of the home, similar listings. And what I recognize here is that all of this information is pulled over from the valuation report that's already in kvCORE. They've just taken and converted it into an app form for mobile users. Gets into market report data. Again, it's all pulled in through the IDX feed. This is the market report. What's sold in the last 30. These are current listings, most viewed, hot listings, most expensive, things been on the market for almost a year. Trends, recently sold. Again, this is all pulled over through the market report. And then also, this is a unique feature. When you set up your profiles, your listing profiles within the client profile, these are the same right here. So it pulls over all the listings that you have pre-set up in your back office. So really cool tool. In my opinion, it's a way of getting your clients to use the app as opposed to using Zillow or Redfin, because ultimately we want our clients to be within our digital footprint and getting the information from us because we're the trusted advisors. So go download the app. I'm not sure it's open in every market, or I should say available in every market, but see if you can download it and go get your clients to start using it. If you like this content and want to see more of it, give me a like, follow me, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.